Check this out, we actually got our hands on a different kind of Playmobil theme. Let's take a look today at a set from the Dino Rise collection. Hey, welcome back, Playmobil pals, and thanks for tuning in for this unboxing and review video today. I hope you guys are doing well. We are taking a look at set number 70930. This is from the Dino Rise collection of Playmobil toys. It looks like we have a character here by the name of Milow. I know nothing about him. I did not do the research prior to the production of this video, but it looks like he is riding a train cart. A motorized one at that. That's not something you see every day. Looking at the package here, we do have the Playmobil logo as per the norm for all Playmobil sets. We also have the Dino Rise, telling you that this is part of the Dino Rise specific theme. And then we have our little character here. This must be like an introduction to who he is, because maybe not everybody knows who he is right away. But he appears to be wearing like this sort of like a football / hockey hybrid suit, I guess to protect him from the elements, either from the cave or from the dinosaurs. And also judging by this little picture here of the dinosaur, it looks like that they equip them with metal harnesses on their head to protect them, but maybe they're equipped with some sort of weaponry. That, again, is a guess. I do not know for sure without having done the prior research. We have Milow here on a train track. Looks like there's nothing underneath here, so it's just going over a chasm possibly, and he seems to be zooming awfully fast down the train track and firing a missile. I think that's primarily just to show you that it has that feature. And he also comes with a little grappling hook here, possibly to save his life at the last second before the cart goes plummeting down a well or a chasm of some kind. The right side of the box has our distributor and manufacturer. Here's where you'll also find the perforated strip to gain access to your toys. The other side has a shrunken version of the front image as well. In case you guys didn't get enough of that front image on both sides, we have it here as well on the top, and then we have another pose, another angle as well of Milow sitting on his cart. The bottom of the box has the standard legal information, mostly choking hazard warnings in various languages. The back of the box shows our contents photographed individually. There's the grappling hook with the string. It also shows that our cart can be attached via a chain to the other carts in the series. Also on the far left, we have thumbnail pictures of some of the other larger sets you can get in the series. Alright, and that is enough of the box details that we need to go over. Let's go ahead and tear this thing open and see what's inside. Okay, so right away we have the little booklet that comes with our toy, and it looks like it gives you possibly a little information on the background. Oh, and it folds out. There's some really awesome pictures of our character and the other dinosaurs. Well, I shouldn't say the other dinosaurs. The dinosaurs that you can get in this set. So they are equipped with weapons. As you can see, there's a whole bunch of torpedoes attached to this, and this appears to be Milow's partner. It's kind of, I don't know about you, wouldn't this be cruel to animals?
But Playmo AF, you never show us the booklet or the directions to any of your sets.
You're right, I don't find them really necessary in my videos, but this is a new theme for us, and there's always an exception to the rule. Boy, that's a lot. Here's our cart, the base of our cart, all by its lonesome. And here's the motor. Hey guys, if you have any idea what that quote is from, be sure to leave it in the comments. You know, Click. Click. And here's our finished card. Looks pretty nifty. Very yellow. And here is Milow. Now, okay, so overall, he's nice looking, I guess. I would not have given him these thinner female arms. I just call them female arms because they are typically used for the female figures. So his eyes are not the trademark round, solid color eyes. His eyes are strictly painted. There are no extra pieces. Not his mouth isn't even another part there. This is completely painted on, which I find personally a little bit disappointing. If Playmobil were to completely adopt this method for all of their clicky faces, it would completely lose the charm. This is how we like our clickies. This is okay on occasion, like for a specific theme. Hello, Dino Rise. But for them to completely adopt it and all of our figures look like that, that would be a big no-no. So keeping the grappling hook aside for a moment, we are going to go ahead and apply Milow and have him sitting in the cockpit of his little cart here. It looks like these little sections here are the controls for him to both control the direction of the cart as well as fire his torpedoes here. Of course, when you're just traveling through one of these train tracks, if you've ever seen Indiana Jones and the Temple of Doom, there is no controlling your cart. You're just free riding and hoping for the best. But here we have Milow on his cart. It looks pretty cool. I don't really have too much else to say about it just because I don't have any information about Milow or the Dino Rise series. So hopefully we will come back with another Dino Rise set. I'm actually kind of hoping that I get another cart if I can find one, and have learned something by then. Alright guys, and that concludes our unboxing and review of the Playmobil set number 70930. This is the whatever it is, Milow and his cart playset. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already yet. You can also follow us on Instagram. We have a lot going on over there. You can check us out over at playmo.af. And we are no longer updating our Twitter page. I just knew that it was not going to work out. I don't even look at it. And then, guys, we got more on the way. So be sure to check it out, and we will see you again very soon. Everybody have a great day. Thanks for watching, and that's it. Bye-bye.